Interference of light waves front method. Superposition principle, where two or more propagating light uh, wave are incident to meet and a point, then the displacement of the uh, resultant wave can be given by the algebraic sum of displacement of all incident wave if y1, y2, y3 are the displacement due to individual wave at a particle times and at particle position, then the resultant displacement mathematically y बराबर y1 plus y2 plus dot 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 yn. Interference, the phenomena in which two or more light waves having same frequency and a constant phase difference with each other superimpose at a point and travel in a same direction is known as interference. Two slit interference, if it is obtained by wavefront division methods. Wavefront division can be understood using Huygens principle, which states that each point of the primary wavefront of a wave we have like secondary source and hence generate secondary wavefront. Using this phenomena, a monochromatic wavefront can be divided into two different wavefront. Young's experiment is used to explain the two slit interference. बीटा बराबर डी बाई टू डी बड़का डी बाई टू डी लेमडा. Interference in thin film. The interference phenomena due to the thin films was developed by Newton and Hooke when a thin film of oil spread on the surface of a thin glass plate. Then as a resultant, some brilliant colors are seen in that film. Coherence requirement for the source. Interference is possible. The incident wave are same frequency have constant difference. This kind of source are known as coherent source. Optical path retardation, when a thin transparent plate is introducing in the path of one of the two interfering becomes, then the optical path of the beam is retarded and it is known as optical path retardation. Lateral shift of fringe, when a thin transparent plane is introduced, the path of one of the two interfering beams are entire fringe pattern shifting toward the beam in the path of which plate is introduced. It shifts to entire fringe pattern is known as lateral shift of fringe. x जीरो बराबर डी बटा टू स्मॉल डी कोष्टक में म्यू माइनस वन कोष्टक वन टी बराबर बीटा बटे लेमडा कोष्टक में म्यू माइनस वन टी, जहाँ बीटा बराबर डी लेमडा बटा के टू डी. रे लाइट refractometer and its application. Refractometer and used to measure refracting index mu of glass. Line refractometer works by having light pass through a vertical slit and then condensate through a lens which passes through two vertical slits. To line it is parallel, which to test tube for that the refraction index is to be compared mu minus वन कोष्टक में L बराबर m lambda, where m is number of fringe passes across the field of view. Hence mu can be calculated. Light refractometer is used to be determined that the refraction of index of glass. Localized fringe can are obtained on specific screen surface are result of extended source while not localized fringe are obtained anywhere using point source. Thin film. When a thin film of oil spread on the surface of water, glass, or other source, interference occurs between the light wavefront reflected from the film. This phenomena is known as thin film interference. Interference of light amplitude division methods. When two or more coherent sources are connected by dividing a light, refract or reflected component, then its amplitudes get divided in those components. This method is known as amplitude division method. Newton ring experiment based on amplitude division method. Newton ring experiment is based on amplitude division methods of interference. When a plano convex lens of large focal length is placed on a plain glass plate, then the thin air film between the lower surface of plano convex lens and the glass plate created interference for any monochromatic light falling normal to the plane surface of the lens. Determinants of wavelengths using Newton's ring. If diameter of nth and n plus p rings fringe is observed using Newton's ring experiment, then लैम्डा बराबर डी स्क्वायर सफिक्स में एन प्लस पी माइनस डी एन का स्क्वायर बटे 4 pr, वेयर डी एन प्लस पी बराबर डायमीटर ऑफ एन प्लस पी फ्रिंज एंड डी एन डिस्प्लेसमेंट diameter of nth fringe. Similarly, thin formula is also valid if the diameter n turns and n plus p dark ring observed. Determinants of refractive index of liquid. If Newton's ring experiment is performed firstly in air and secondly in the medium for which refractive index mu is to be determined, then refractor index mu बराबर डी स्क्वायर एन प्लस पी माइनस डी एन का स्क्वायर कोष्टक बंद एयर बटे डी एन प्लस पी का स्क्वायर माइनस डी एन का स्क्वायर मीडियम में. Heidinger fringe. Heidinger fringe are interference fringe formula. The interference from monochromatic and coherent light to form visible good contrast are observed. Heidinger fringe localized at infinitely and are also known as fringe of equal inclination. Michelson interferometer. To observe and study the interference fringe of various shapes which have a number of applications is optics. Michelson interferometer, so we can say that this device is very useful to observation and study. Anti-reflection coating. In 1935 Smolka discovered that reflected losses can be reduced by coating the surface with a thin transparent dielectric film. This process is known as anti-reflection coating. Optical filter / interference filter. An interference filter is an optical system that which transmits a very narrow range of wavelengths and gives a monochromatic beam of light. Wavelengths of light passing through filter is lambda is equal to lambda theta बटे n अंडर रूट में 1 माइनस साइन आई बटा म्यू का होल स्क्वायर, वेयर लैम्डा 0 बराबर म्यू 2 म्यू टी. Merit of interference filter. Interference filters are widely used clinical chemistry, environmental testing, calorimetric, laser line separation, flame photometry, fluorescence, etc. Demerit of interference filter design and protection. Monochromatic light using if is a complex produce. Thymian green interferometer of Thymian and a Greek in 1916 design an interferometer for testing the optical homogeneity of prism lenses and glass plates. Multiple beam interference. When the interference pattern is obtained due to superposition of many coherent beams together, then it is known as multiple beam interferometer. Fabry-Perot interferometer. Fabry-Perot interferometer is a high resolving power instrument which is based on the multiple beam interference. Because of its high resolving power, this instruction is used for study of hyperfine structure of spectral lines. Intensity distribution of Fabry-Perot. Intensity of Fabry-Perot interferometer can be given as I बराबर a स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर बटा के 1 माइनस आर का होल स्क्वायर कोष्टक में 1 प्लस एफ साइन स्क्वायर लेमडा बाई 2 where f is equal to 4r upon 1 minus r square, also as fitness coefficient or coefficient of sharpness Tulasky fringe. Multiple reflection between close nearly parallel surface of high reactivity give rise to the well-known sharpness of fringe of equal thickness for two surfaces of equal reflectivity R and equal transmittivity T, neglecting absorption. The successive interfering beam in the transmitted system have intensity t square, r square t square, r की पावर 4 t square बराबर t square क्वेश्चन में 1, r square, r की पावर 4 for the reflected system. The intensity r t square बराबर r t square क्वेश्चन में 1, r square, r की पावर 4 as shown by Tulasky. Diffraction Fresnel class. The phenomenon of bending of light around corner of objects or the spreading of light wave into the geometrical shadow of an object is known as diffraction, and the intensity distribution of the screen is known as the diffraction pattern. Fresnel diffraction. When the source of light and the screen are at a finite distance from a optical diffracting aperture and the wavefronts are cylindrical or spherical, then the diffraction is known as a Fresnel diffraction. Fresnel half diffraction period zone. Even the Fresnel diffraction, according to Huygens theory, each point of wavefront sends out the secondary wavelets. These wavelets interfere and produce a resultant intensity of light at any point. Fresnel divided these wavefronts in the large number of small zones. These zones are known as Fresnel half period zone. Zone plate. A zone plate is a specially constructed screen such that light is obstructed from every alternate half period zone. It can be even number. Plates are positive zone plates and odd number plates are negative zone. Behave like convex lens. Multiple foci of zone plates. A zone plates has number of foci points which can be found fm f सफिक्स में m बराबर r सफिक्स में n का स्क्वायर बटा के 2m-1 कोष्टक बंद n लैम्डा वेयर m इक्वल टू 1 2 3 कमा f1 बराबर r n स्क्वायर बटे n लैम्डा f2 बराबर r n सफिक्स में n का स्क्वायर बटे 3n लैम्डा f3 बराबर r n का स्क्वायर बटे 5 सफिक्स बटे 5n लैम्डा एंड सो ऑन. f1 संबंधी f2 संबंधी f3 बराबर 1/1 संबंधी 1/3 संबंधी 1/5 संबंधी डॉट डॉट डॉट. Diffraction at a distant edge. Let us a narrow slit illuminated source of monochromatic lights of wavelength lambda. The slit is perpendicular the plane of the mirror. A sharp and straight edge BC of an OQ observed is the parallel placed slit, but in actual practice we observe alternate dark and bright bands of unequal with poor contraction and parallel of to the straight edge just above O. Rapid fall in intensity and complete darkness is geometrical shadow obtained at distance below O. Rectilinear propagation of light. If an occupy octelsels or an aperture of larger size is very large compared to the wavelength of light be placed between a source light and a screen, distinct shadow is obtained on screen illuminated region. In case of aperture, this process is known as rectilinear propagation of light. It is mean by straight line propagation of light from the source of screen. Diffraction. Fraunhofer's class. Fraunhofer diffraction. When sources of a screen are at infinite distance from each other, then observed diffraction pattern in such case is known Fraunhofer diffraction. Fraunhofer diffraction due to a single slit. We observed the following result and after diffraction. Path difference in diffraction wave delta equal to sk equal to s dash dash sin theta. A slit with s dash equal to a, then lambda equal to a sin theta. Condition of central maxima. Lambda equal to 0 equal to a sin theta. Condition from central minima. Lambda equal to n lambda equal to a sin theta. Condition for secondary maxima. A delta equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 बराबर a sin theta. Phasor diagram method. Fraunhofer diffraction at contribution of each part in path diffraction can be shown using following phasor diagram. This method we get the following result. Phasor angle lambda equal to r ss dash बटे रेडियस r इक्वल टू पी ए जीरो बटे आर टेंस टू आर बराबर पी ए जीरो बटे लेमडा. रिजल्टेंट एम्पलीट्यूड इन सिंगल स्लिट डिफ्रैक्शन आर इक्वल टू पी ए जीरो साइन अल्फा बटा के अल्फा वेयर अल्फा इक्वल टू पाई ए साइन थीटा बटे लेमडा वेयर पी इक्वल टू फेज डिफरेंस एंड ए जीरो इक्वल टू रिजल्टेंट एम्पलीट्यूड. रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी इज सिंगल स्लिट डिफ्रैक्शन आई बराबर आई जीरो क्वेश्चन में साइन अल्फा बटे अल्फा का होल स्क्वायर. Integral calculus method for Fraunhofer diagram at a single slit. Integral calculus method we obtain the following result. Condition for central maxima when theta is equal to 0 alpha is equal to pi बटा lambda a sin theta is equal to 0 limit a tends to 0 sin alpha बटा alpha बराबर 1 i बराबर i 0 बराबर i max. Condition for central maxima minima intensity will be minimum if sin alpha बटे alpha बराबर 0 alpha is equal to pi plus minus pi and pi then साइन अल्फा बटे अल्फा बराबर 0 टेंस टू आई बराबर 0। सो फार अल्फा इजकल टू प्लस माइनस एन पाई बराबर पाई बटे लेमडा ए साइन थीटा बराबर प्लस माइनस एन लेमडा बटे ए टेंस टू थीटा बराबर साइन इनवर्स कोष्टक में एन प्लस माइनस एन बटा के एन लेमडा बटा के ए थीटा वन बराबर साइन इनवर्स कोष्टक में प्लस माइनस लेमडा बटा के ए टेंस टू थीटा टू बराबर साइन इनवर्स प्लस माइनस 2 लेमडा बटा के ए। फ्राउनहोफर डिफ्रैक्शन एंड ए सर्कुलर टेम्परेचर आफ्टर फ्राउनहोफर डिफ्रैक्शन एट ए सर्कुलर aperture we will get following result in this method path difference delta is equal to a sin theta condition for central maxima theta is equal to 0 ounce delta is equal to 0 ounce condition for minima lambda is equal to a sin theta बराबर एन लेमडा कंडीशन फॉर सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमा डेल्टा इजकल टू ए साइन थीटा बराबर 2n प्लस 1 बटा के कोष्टक बंद लेमडा बटे के 2 रेडियस फॉर सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा स्क्रीन एक्स बराबर 1.22 एफ लेमडा बटा के ए वेयर एफ फोकल लेंथ ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ए विड्थ ऑफ अपर्चर विथ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा डब्ल्यू इजकल टू 2.44 एफ लेमडा बटा के ए। रिजॉल्विंग पावर ऑफ ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट the ability of an optical instrument such that telescope microscope etc resolving the image of two close objects is known as resolving power that instrument ray light criterion of resolving according to this two nearby power source images are said to be just resolved if the position of central maxima of one point source coincide with the minima of another point source. Beyond this limit, when central maxima of the 2 point source overlapping both sources look like single source. The distance between the 2 point source when they are just resolved known as resolution limit. Reciprocal of resolution limit is known as resolving power. This is known as ray light criterion of resolution. Resolving limit are the normal lie when two objects are very together then they may appear as one and it may be difficult for the eye see them separate if the angle subtended by them and the eye is less 1 multi-minutes then which is resolving limit of the normal eye. Resolving power of the telescope. The resolving power of the telescope defined as a angle suspended at the objective by two distant point object star which are just resolved when see through the telescope. The resolving power of and resolving limit of telescope can be determined given formula. Resolving limit of telescope alpha is equal to 1.22 lambda बटे a. Resolving power of telescope r is equal to a बटा के 1.22 lambda. Resolving power of microscope. The limit of resolving of a microscope is determined by the least permeable linear distance between the two objects so that the two image pair just resolve. Numerical aperture of microscope बराबर म्यू साइन थीटा. रिजॉल्विंग लिमिट्स ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप अल्फा इजकल टू 0.61 लैम्डा बटा के म्यू साइन थीटा. रिजॉल्विंग पावर ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप आर इजकल टू म्यू साइन थीटा बटा के 0.61 लैम्डा. फेज कंस्ट्रक्ट माइक्रोस्कोप इन विच फेज वेरिएशन इज passing through different part of the specific main are converted into intensity variation in the image is called the phase construct microscope. Diffraction of light. Diffraction grating and its application. Diffraction of unparalleled slit. A diffraction grating is a arranged consisting of a large number of unparalleled slits of equal width. The slits equidistant separately by occupy space in the it is made by rolling a large number of fine distance and parallel line on an optical plane glass plane with a diamond point. The ruling scatter of light are effectively obscure, while the unruled part transmitted light and act as slit. Intensity distribution in an slit distribution experiment. If the occupied space B be the line with A plus B, A plus B is the distance between two consecutive slits, then path difference in one and slit experiment can be given as delta is equal to E plus B sin theta, and phase difference lambda is equal to 2 pi beta lambda delta is equal to 2 pi beta lambda E plus B sin theta. Amplitude due to all slit in diffraction direction theta is A is equal to A0 question में sin theta beta alpha sin and beta beta sin beta. A alpha is equal to pi beta lambda E sin theta and beta is equal to pi beta lambda E plus B sin theta delta बटे 2 चौथा. I is equal to A स्क्वायर बराबर A0 साइन अल्फा बटे अल्फा का होल स्क्वायर साइन एन बीटा बटे साइन बीटा का होल स्क्वायर. वेरियस टाइप ऑफ ग्रेटिंग. देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ ग्रेटिंग विच इज गिवन below. Plane deflection and plane diffraction grating. Plane deflection grating is similar to diffraction grating, only difference between reflection and diffraction grating is of its construction. Reflection grating are made of silver aluminum coated glass. Benefit of reflection grating is that it can be used even for UV ray or infrared ray blazed grating. In diffraction grating, intensity of maximum is maximum for zero order and decrease as number of order n increases. Blazed grating are designed to shift this maximum intensity to the desired higher order spectrum. In the grating where E is equal to grating in interval, beta is equal to blaze angle, lambda is equal to wavelength of light, and n is equal to number of slit. Concave grating. It was developed by Rowland. It is made of a polished concave surface of a metal spectra which is 30.18% and stated color. This concave surface is ruled with equal space fine parallel path difference. Each concave grating delta is equal to E plus B question में the second sin I minus sin theta, where where I is the incident angle and theta is the difference angle. Condition of maxima. E plus B sin I question sin I minus sin theta बराबर n lambda. It concave grating are slit are placed at the circumference of a circle whose diameter is equal to the radius of curvature of a concave grating. In each case, the difference spectra are also focused on the circumference of the same circle. Mounting. To use a concave grating setting of the equipment is called mounting. Type of mounting. There are mainly 3 types of mounting for the concave grating, which are given below. Rowland mounting. Setting of equipment in this mounting slit grating and photographic plates are placed it at the corner of a right angle triangular. Pascan rung mounting. If in the mounting grating and slit are fixed in suitable position and along the Rowland circle, which gives desired angle of incidence. It is used to mount the grating of large radius curvature. Angles mounting in the process elite the photographic plate mounted very close together at the ends of a riding bar. Concave grating is mounted on the other ends of this bar. Resolving power of grating. Resolving power of grating is its ability to show the two nearby lines in spectrum as separate. It is represented as equal to lambda by l lambda बराबर n बड़का n. Here n बराबर e प्लस बी कोष्टक वन साइन थीटा बटे लेमडा एंड n बराबर टोटल विड्थ ऑफ ग्रेटिंग w बटा के e प्लस बी. रिजॉल्विंग पावर ऑफ प्रिज्म. रिजॉल्विंग पावर ऑफ प्रिज्म is given by ability to show two close spectrum lines as separate. It value can be given as r बराबर lambda बटा के d lambda बराबर t d mu बटा के d lambda, where t is the width of best prism, d mu is variance in refraction due to variation in wavelength. d lambda d mu बटा के d lambda is also known as dispersive power of prism. r is equal to t is equal to t into dispersion power. Relation between resolving power of grating and prism. Relation between resolving power grating and prism be as r grating बटे r prism बराबर a d lambda बटे d थीटा बटे d lambda बटा के t d mu बटे d lambda. Resolving power बटे dispersive power grating इक्वल टू a क्वेश्चन में resolving power बटा के t dispersive power prism. Resolving power of a Fabry Perot Etalon. It can be find as r बराबर लैम्डा बटा डी लैम्डा बराबर m पाई अंडर रूट में f बटा के 2 बराबर m पाई r बटा के 1 माइनस r का स्क्वायर. m इक्वल टू 0, 1, 2, 3 where r is reflection coefficient. Polarized and optical activity. Polarized is the only phenomena which can be expressed tangible nature of light. The phenomena in which vibration of electric field vector of light are confined in the defined direction by the method. Any method is known as polarization of light, and this type of light is known as polarized light. Polarization can be